Good morning, all of you. My name is Chand Praveen Nandu. I am from Jalna. I recently passed my B Farm, D Batu University, Raigad Lonere. Today's subject is non-technical, and today's topic is air pollution. Air pollution is the presence of the harmful excessive quantities of the substance in the air we breathe. The This pollutant can come from the neutral source like wildfires and volcanic eruption, or human activities like vehicle emissions, industrial process, and agriculture. Understanding air pollution require exploring its causes, type, effect, and straight used to reduce it. Types of air pollution. Air pollutant can broadly categorize into two types. Primary pollutant, emitted directly from a source. Example include carbon monoxide CO, produced in complete combination of fossil fuel. Then sulfur dioxide SO2, mainly released coal burning in power plants. Then nitrogen dioxide NO2, emitted vehicle and industrial activities. Volatile organic compound VOCs, emitted from the solvent, paints, and fuel, and contribute the formation of ground level ozone layer. Particular matter, teeny particles suspended in the air, such as PM2.5 particles, uh, and PM10. Source include the construction sites and smokestacks and vehicles. Secondary pollutant formed in the atmosphere when the primary pollutant react with. Example include ozone O3. A secondary pollutant from sunlight react with the VOCs and nitrogen oxides. Smog, a mixed fog, smoke, and chemical pollutant often visible as a thicky, hazy layer in urban areas. Acid rain. Acid rain created SO2 and nitrogen oxides reacts with the water vapor and form a sulfuric and nitric acid. Falling bags, earth, rain, and snow or fog. Source of air pollution. Air pollution stems from the range both natural and human source. A natural source. Natural source is a volcanic occupation, wildfires, those storms, and sea spray. Human Human source. Then transportation. Vehicle emits pollutant like nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide, PM, especially in urban areas. Industrial emission. Factories release uh, nitrogen oxide and particulate matter. Agriculture, animal waste, fertilizer release ammonia and methane, CH4. Construction and mining, greater generate a large amount of dust, particular matter. Power plant, fossil fuel combustion release the significant amount of SO2, nitrogen oxide, and carbon dioxide gases. Effect of air pollution effect on human health and the environment and the global climate various ways. Then human health impact. Respiratory disease pollutant like PM2.5 and nitrogen oxide can penetrate respiratory system, causing the condition like asthma, bronchitis, chronic obstruction, pulmonary disease, cardiovascular disease, then cancer, permeability, mortality, etc. Environment impact. Acid rain, the damaged soil, water bodies, and vegetation. Acid rain also erodes and buildings and historical movements. Reduce crop yield. Ground level ozone affect plant growth and reducing the agriculture productivity. The damage via wildfire. Animal, especially those urban areas, face respiratory issue and habitat degradation. Then climate change impacts. Air pollution, climate change are interlinked. uh, Greenhouses gases, pollutant like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, heat contributing and global warming. Black carbon, part of the PM black carbon and airburst sunlight, and contribute the melting of glacieric snowpacks. Uh, then then we see measuring of monitoring air pollution. Air quality index, a commonly used metric that indicates daily level of pollution range and hazardous. Satellite monitoring. Satellite monitoring Satellite track pollution over large areas and providing data on level of nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide, ozone and particulate matter. Ground monitoring station measure the specific pollutant at the surface level to provide localized AQI data. Solution of air pollution. Then government and regulatory action. Regulatory and standard government enforce emission standard for vehicle and industries and power plant. For example, US Clean Air Act has been instrumental in reducing air pollution and United States. Transition renewable energy, shifting a fossil fuel renewable source like wind and solar can significantly reduce pollution. Urban planning. Urban planning is the encouragement of public transportation, cycling and walking while the limiting vehicle and access of congested urban area. Pollution control technology, installing the scrubber and filter and cyclistic converters factories and vehicle reduce emission. Personal community effort, reducing car uses, then energy efficiency, then awareness and education, then technological innovation, electrical hydrogen vehicles, then carbon capture and storage, then air pollution systems, then global effort of air pollution. The several international initiative aims to address pollution on global scale. The pairs of agreement, although the primary theater or its focus on the reducing GHGs and indirectly reduce pollution. United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, including the target improving air quality and part of the goals for health, climate action and sustainable cities. Conclusion: air pollution poses critical challenge with the significant health, environment and the climate impact. Addressing its require coordinate efforts and cross policy, technology and individual actions to achieve cleaner and healthier planet. Okay, thank you.